In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CSS tricks on WordPress.com. This simple tutorial for beginners will guide you through the basics of adding custom CSS to your WordPress site, providing you with the flexibility to make your site look exactly the way you want. Let's begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's main control center, where you can manage your site's content and layout. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Appearance tab. It's typically located on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Clicking on Appearance will reveal a drop-down menu, offering various customization options. Your next step involves clicking on Editor. This is your gateway to customizing your theme files with CSS, be it adding new styles or tweaking existing ones. Upon entering the editor, you'll notice it provides access to different style settings and options, allowing you to tailor the look and feel of your WordPress site. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the Styles option. Clicking here will provide you with the broader style settings for your theme. This section is designed to manage theme's overall presentation, offering you tools to adjust your site's appearance seamlessly. Now let's focus on the additional CSS section. This is often the highlight for many users because it allows you to add custom CSS code easily and safely. Clicking on Additional CSS opens an editor window where you can input your unique CSS rules. This is especially useful if you want to make style adjustments without altering the original theme files, keeping your customizations safe and separate. Once you're in the CSS editor box, you're free to start entering your CSS code. This is where the magic happens. Whether you want to alter fonts, change colors, adjust spacing, or add creative touches, this section empowers you to make those style changes. It's important to note that adding CSS requires a basic understanding of how CSS syntax works, but don't worry. With some practice, you'll be able to make significant style adjustments efficiently. Finally, remember that this feature is a powerful tool for personalization, even if you're using a pre-designed theme. Custom CSS can truly make it your own. Whether you're styling buttons, altering layout structures, or customizing typography, the ability to modify and enhance your theme with CSS is invaluable for creating a unique site that stands out. I hope this tutorial has provided you with the confidence to dive into CSS on your WordPress.com site. Feel free to explore and experiment with different styles to make your site aesthetically pleasing and aligned with your vision. Thank you for watching, and happy styling!